Welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and in today's video I'm going to be giving this patio set that I purchased from my local flea market for $30. I'm giving it a makeover, so stay tuned. This patio set is made up of a wood top, wicker chairs, and metal bottoms. And on this video today, I'm going to be fixing the wicker chairs because there's wicker that's sticking up, so I had to glue it down and clamp it to hold it firmly. And then I'm going to spray paint the bottom of the metal a black. And then I'm going to also sand the top of the table. And I'm going to use a chocolate stain color. It looks like Hershey chocolate. And then for the chairs, I'm going to as well stain the chairs. And the color is a cognac color. And I'll be sure to show you everything I'm using. And for this entire project that I've done, I spent $127.58. Not bad, staying on a budget for a brand new patio set. All the colors I wanted to use and everything, just in time for the summer. Welcome back. I'm going to be spray painting all the metal a matte black. Yes, and also you guys, please wear a mask. I know I didn't have one on in the video because I forgot, but for safety reasons, please wear a mask. I refreshed all the chairs with a matte black, and this is what I used.
As the years go by, I realize that I don't wanna stay the same. I wanna reinvent. You don't have to tell me what to do, 'cause I'll only need my own groove. You can't win a race if you don't run. Like you can't feel warm without the sun. Deal with your darkness now. Don't let it stick around, no. And if you fly above